Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Best of 67's Workshop, and welcome to part number 48 of Build Your Own Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the year 1967 from our wonderful mates at DeAgostini. If you want to grab this for yourself, head over to this link all the way along there. It's in the description below as well, folks, and take out a subscription for this beautiful model. Right, so quick for a look through the magazine. This is the Blue Ridge Parkway, long distance scenic drive route. Actually looks a beautiful view. Big old RV coming through the way there. Yeah, I like the way they shoe on that bridge right in there as well. Today we're going to be putting on the front chassis section. Yes, folks. So we want to retrieve everything we've been building before, the middle and rear section of the chassis, because putting the front frame on. Okay. We're going to be lining that up, fixing that in place like so. And this is what we're going to end up with at the end of today's build up. Next up, you've got the Mustang Mark V going back to its roots. Iconic shape in it, let's be honest. Looking rather mint, and there's the convertible version even. Looks nice in that yellow, doesn't it? Really does work. That's the Boss 302. And then the fastback rear was one of the features resurrected from the first generation Mustangs. I always think it looks rather sweet as a fastback, I must admit. And look at that, the black and red really works, and that's the Cobra. And then another redesign in 2010 gave it a more aggressive look with a thinner grille and smaller headlamps. So there you go, folks. Let's grab our parts that we need today, and it arrives really well protected in a nice big old box, folks. And I like the way they package their chassis section. That's what you get. Okay. And yeah, in there is what we want. So there you go, folks. That's what we've got today. Nice big die cast front chassis section. Okay. So we'll need to bring in what we've been working on and try and get this in situ for you, folks. Okay. Wish me luck. So we're going in this area inside. Okay. So let's turn that way round like that and lay this in place over these posts, okay, like so. Quite a nice resistance fit, and then we can grab our first screw, pop some oil on her, and we're going in this post here. Same again. So I might as well do this side first. Go in there, just behind that tall post there. Like so. Then grab the next one. There you go. And that is a rather large chassis, folks, isn't it? Look at the size of that. Hey? Massive, isn't it? So again, I'm going to have to adjust my camera angle to get this all in shot for you. But that's what you're going to end up with today, folks, okay? So if you want to build along with me this massive, massive car, then head over to this link here, all the way along there. That takes you to DeAgostini's website. take out a subscription and you can build along with me, folks. This massive 1/6 scale car. I'm just going to see if I can get it in shot for you. Look at that. Absolutely huge, isn't it? Massive. So there you go. That's what we're building. Also, if you can click the little festa in the corner there, just helps me out by subscribing to my channel. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. In the meantime, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.